Every donation form asks your supporters to make decisions. The best ones ask for as few as possible. Here is exactly what a donor sees paying by card in Charitable, start to finish. This is a Charitable campaign page exactly as a supporter sees it. There is a progress bar, the story, and one clear donate button. Click it and the donation form opens on its own page. First, the amount. These one-click buttons are the amounts you picked when you built the campaign, and they do real work. Most people give one of the numbers you suggest. A donor taps one or types their own in the custom field. Next, who they are. A first name, a last name, and an email address for the receipt. Charitable can also collect a mailing address and a phone number, but one setting keeps the form to just the essentials. That is the version you are looking at. Then the card. This field belongs to Stripe, not to your website, so card numbers never touch your server. And notice what is not here. No tip, no second ask, no box to cover the processing fee. Just the gift. One button. Donate. Stripe authorizes the card and Charitable records the donation. And the donor lands here. A real receipt with the amount, the campaign, and a reference number worth keeping. The emailed copy is already on its way. Start to finish, that was under a minute. On your side, the gift is already in place. It appears in donations marked paid with the donor attached to it. Nothing to reconcile and nothing to import. So that is the entire checkout. Pick an amount, enter your details, enter a card, press donate. 4 steps and nothing in between.